Not the sort of response I wanted from you this morning. Yep, that'll do it. Nasty. If you're like me and you struggle to get these plugs into the tyres, you know, you push and it just haven't quite got strength to push it through the tyre, I'll show you a little trick. There you have it. Painted rims, good idea to stick a bit of a cloth there just to protect the rim itself. Admittedly, you know, you've got the reamer to probably make the hole a little bit bigger in the tyre, but even then I seem to struggle to get the repair patch in through the tyre itself. It can also be a handy little hack if you're out on the tracks and you're not in a safe position to remove a tyre. You might be on a steep incline or a bit of a bog hole. Just use the ratchet for a bit of leverage. That way you don't have to actually take the wheel off itself. So if you got a bit of value out of that, you give us a thumbs up, much appreciated, or even better still, a bit of a follow. Hopefully in a couple of weeks or very soon, I'll have a really nice Y62 that one of my mates has got. Looking forward to doing a review on that one. It's a pretty special rig, brand new, ready to go. He's heading off around Australia on a huge trip, so yeah, if you like Y62s, tune in. Catch you next one.